Blah, 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 blah. Because my viewers are also kids. So, kunwari, there you have your friends there in the TV. Hi everyone, it's your girl Nekomi, and today I have two special guests with me. Can you girls introduce yourself? You
I'm
are?
Ashley and I'm Riley, and we are the Gomez Divas.
Oh, aren't they adorable? That is the second time I've collaborated with the two girls. The first time was our Frozen photo shoot, right? You girls remember? Who was Elsa? Who was Anna? And who's Olaf? Me. So this time we are doing a full face makeup challenge. We have everything set up here on our table. We tried to find the best makeup we can use for these kids. And we also got really special brushes, right? Can you show them your brush? Okay, tell me, what is it? Tell the camera.
Mermaid brushes.
Mermaid brushes.
And a
Oh,
mermaid tail.
and a mermaid tail? Look at it. Wow, so pretty. Okay, for me, I got some unicorn brushes right here. So now, I'm going to teach you guys how to do your makeup. You know why there's so many brushes? No, okay. The smaller brushes like these, they are for your eyes. But you don't do like this, okay? The bigger brushes are for your cheeks and your face, okay? Are you guys ready to do makeup? Alright! Now before we start, we have to put our hair away from our face. That's why I have here some special headbands. How about you guys? What do you want to be? A unicorn, a tiger, or a cat? This one. How about you? Unicorn. Okay, we're the unicorn. There you go. Yay! So our face is cleared. Now let's start with the... What's that?
Primer.
The primer. How does your face feel? Is it sticky or soft? Is it soft? Yes. Now we can put makeup because our face is soft. The first thing you have to put is powder. This is my face powder. What's yours? Yay! We got Caroline and Myra. This is totally not sponsored. We will use the biggest brush. Get your bigger brush. Then we're going to rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub. So, I think we're done with the face, yeah? Now it's even more soft. Very soft. Now, it's my favorite part. We can go to the eyes.
Me too. You like the eyes?
Earlier, I searched for some tags that we can use, but we chose only one theme, which one did we choose? The unicorn? How about you? Ah, that's why you're in the middle. You're the unicorn. What are the colors of the unicorn, girls? Pink, yellow,
Blue,
blue,
green,
green,
purple.
purple. Is this a rainbow? Oh, it's like Rainbow Dash. Whose favorite pony is Rainbow Dash? Yay! We have here an inspiration that we will look at.
It needs to be about 20% cooler.
This one or this one?
This one.
This one? How about you? You want that one? Oh no! So I have to be the tiebreaker. So they want either this one, this look here, or this look here. Let's go for pastel. First, what do you see here? What color?
Purple.
There's purple. When you have so many colors, we have to start with the purple first. Very good. We start with the dark color first. Oh, so how do we look now? Can you show the camera how your eyes look? Oh, I don't see much on my eyes. Mascara is for your eyelashes. This is my go-to eyelashes. It's very simple, but it will make your eyes pop. I'm gonna put it on you guys. Now, we can move on to our cheeks.
There's a big.
Big brush.
Oh, fishy.
Oh, fishy. Can we use that as a blush brush? We can try. We can try this fishy brush for a blush. These are usually the blushes. There's a light blush, and a highlighter for the upper cheeks. Tap, 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 tap. Can you sing with me? Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Now, you should not put so much blush because you will look like Pikachu. You know Pikachu? Pikachu! Okay, we're finished. Time to go for the lips. Yes. Let's show them our lipstick. Show them your magical weapon. Yes. First thing you do is the top. Top lips first. And if you make a mistake, you can do like they do. Just use wet wipes. Okay, then we go at the bottom. The bottom lips. I got on my teeth. Sometimes there are lipstick that stain the teeth. A technique that I was taught was to use your finger to get all the lipstick out. Like that. So whatever leftover lipstick is here, it won't go to your teeth anymore. Now we're gonna pucker up like this. Pucker up. Look.
You gotta pucker up your lips like this.
We can also have some lip shine over the lipstick. So you choose your color. What's that you have there? Is it Barbie? I only have Elsa. You got Barbie. Oh, okay. Well, I'm a queen, so... The lip shine is to add a little texture to your lips. Put the lip shine only in the middle of your lips. Here. Yes, I think we are done. We can take out our magical headbands now. Yay, but this looks so good on her. Look at you. You're so pretty. Your eyes are so sparklier than mine. Don't they look amazing? Did you girls have fun? Did you learn anything? I hope you guys also enjoyed that. We have to be very careful with the makeup because they're also very young, so they have to use safe, free makeup. They can't use my makeup, so I have to adjust with that one.
Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you like to see more reaction videos, unboxing, and exclusive coverages of my cosplay activities.
Oh, please also follow the girls' YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel?
Gomez Divas.
Gomez Divas. Okay, so if you want to see more of the girls, they also do toy unboxing, and they are young fashionistas in their Instagram as well. Also have a Facebook account. Girls, where are you going? This is your girl Nekomi. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you, Gomez Divas, for collaborating with me. Who are those guys? This is Polly the gray polar bear and Marshmallow! I had a marshmallow too! Check out their profiles, the Gomez Divas on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram account. Now, if you like to see more videos like this, tell me if you want to see me collaborate with other guests or influencers you guys have in mind. Just have to ring the bell. Yay! So you can be in my notification squad. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!